my friends! Look, today I'm here with these two children who are missing some of their school belongings, yeah? Let's see what does it say here. Her school bag is big. His school bag is small. Hers is big and his is small. But wait, where are the school bags? I don't see them anywhere. Look at this potion pot. So we need to make some magic. Let me get dressed and say the words. Abracadabra, abracadee, show me the school bags. 1, 2, 3. Oh, come on, louder. Abracadabra, abracadee, show me some school bags. 1, 2, 3. Great! We have them here. Now we need to pick. Which one is the biggest one? That one, right? That is the biggest one. So that school bag is hers. Great. And this one is the smallest. So this school bag is his. Great. Come on, one more sentence. Let's read. Her pencil is long. His pencil is short. Her pencil is long. His pencil is short. Say with me. Abracadabra, abracadee, show me some pencils. 1, 2, 3. Louder! Abracadabra, abracadee, show me some pencils. 1, 2, 3. Great! Which one is the longest? Which one is the longest? Yeah, that is the longest. So that pencil is hers. Hers, okay? Her pencil is long. And of course, this one is the shortest. So this pencil is his. His pencil is short. Great! Okay, let's keep reading. Her eraser or rubber is dirty and his eraser or rubber is clean. Okay? What is dirty and clean? Eraser. Abracadabra, abracadee, show me some erasers. 1, 2, 3. Abracadabra, abracadee, show me some erasers. 1, 2, 3. Great! Which one is the dirtiest? Dirty? Okay, I understand. Dirty maybe means that doesn't smell good or it has like pieces of tiny stuff, right? Yeah. So that is the dirtiest. Yes. And whose is it? Yeah? That dirty is her. Is her eraser. Her eraser is dirty. And this one, the cleanest one, belongs to him. This is his eraser. His eraser is clean. Right. Finally, her sharpener is made of metal and his sharpener is made of plastic. Come on, abracadabra, abracadee, show me some sharpeners. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now easy. Which one is made of plastic? Plastic. I would say this one. This, what? Is his or hers? This is hers, right? Yeah? This is hers? No, it's not hers. The plastic one is his, right? Come on, go there. His sharpener is made of plastic. And her sharpener is made of metal. It's like stronger, right? That one is hers. Is her sharpener. We did it! Great!
If you want to keep learning, download the video worksheet and practice with us. Everything is in the video description.